down, who that? What's going on? It's your boy Mike Peele here with the new video for Hip Hop Fit. Y'all already know what time it is, and it's been a minute. It's been a minute, but here we go. Yeah, I'll start. I'm Mike Peele.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a dancer, Pilates instructor, and all that good stuff like that. I am so happy to be here with y'all because I've been in class with all of y'all, and I know it's all fire, so it's only going up. So congratulations to us.
I'm Valerie, that's all I got.
I'm Ashley.
I'm Karen with an I.
I am Lewis Carter.
Hi, I'm Doreen. I am a 4th grade teacher, but I love to dance.
I'm Lonnie. I'm a dancer and other stuff. I'm a mom.
Hi, I'm Kim. That's all I got for you.
Hi, I'm Amber. All the energy that you want, I'm gonna give it to you.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm a movement educator as well, Pilates instructor, preschool teacher. That's it.
I'm Richard. I'm a dancer. Yeah.
I'm Velvet. Hi. I am also a mom. I'm also a dancer and twerk instructor as well.
Come on now.
Morgan. No relation to Freeman.
Hi everyone, my name is Pania and I am a mother, I'm a dancer, a singer, a worker, I do it all.
Again, I just want to say thank y'all. I appreciate it because you don't have to be here. I really, really, really appreciate it. Each and every last one of you. Trusty notes. This is what we're going to go over real fast. And then we're just going to do a mock just for a lot of you guys who have not done this before. Velvet came on. And Velvet was hyped. She was ready with the rest of us, and she was like this in the camera. We on the side, Richard too, in the beginning, and he was like. So I just want to go through that with the just 2 lights, just so you know, and you just know the cues, same cues from class and all of that stuff, yeah? I like it when it's not about me. It removes from me and it goes to you and it goes to somebody else, or it goes to you and then it goes to somebody else. That's what the Peele effect is all about. Create, motivate, and inspire. So after me, it leaves. It leaves and it goes to another person, and then that person starts talking to another person about it and how it makes them feel, and then it goes to the next person. I don't want egos. I do not want anybody to come into the space and make anybody else feel bad. We don't do drama. We just don't do it, and we won't. We have fun, do we not? We have a good time. We just have a good time. Do not stress. Keep it professional. You know, not like that. Great TV. Great TV. I turned into a different person a little bit. I'm still fun, but I got shit to do. Because I gotta set up everything. I gotta break down everything. I gotta make sure the sound is right. I gotta make sure everything goes right. Y'all just gotta show up and look cute and do your thing. I gotta go home. I gotta make sure that everything was right. I gotta edit it down. So I'm still fun, but I just be like, okay, I gotta get this done, I gotta get this done, and I gotta get this done, because we gotta be in and out, yeah? Everybody has something. It's fine. Our job, whoever is filming with us, we film with each other, is to lift you up to somebody else. That's the thing, not me. Not like, oh, I'm not being mediocre.
You are. Just a regular whore.
Just a regular. Just a regular whore. Just a regular whore. I love that. Just let me know prior to of getting, don't wait till we get on camera and then try to tap me while I'm trying to do a sign. I'm gonna go like this, I'm like, save it for next time. You don't have to. You don't have, that arm is putting in the work, baby.
The laps are on fire.
I'm gonna make sure that I have El Boogie hold me accountable to this. So we usually did Top Tuesdays. So I don't want to do a schedule anything anymore. I want it to be where you like, oh, he's, you know, doing this. But I'll let you guys know 48, or like maybe like 2 days prior. Yes, it will. Yeah, we did premieres. We always did premieres.
Subscriber, you see that.
Exactly. She's not a subscriber.
I'm a subscriber.
There you go. She don't believe in supporting black businesses. Let's move the chairs and let's just do a mock.
Because I'm a mother too.
You have kids?
I have one. She's 5.
Lying.
No, I really do.
You have a whole child?
A whole child.
Wow, I did not know that.
You want to be daddy?
It's time to go. Rarely people shut me up, and I was like, oh.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 hit. No, I'm joking. Go like this. Here we go. Hey, you guys, what's up? It's your boy Mike Peele here with a new video for Hip Hop Fit. Y'all already know what time it is, and it's a new video, baby. What's up? Yeah. All right. So y'all already know how we do it, right? Of course you do. So in case you don't remember, this means top. This means hold on because we're going to the next music before y'all good dancers. This means stop, hold up, take a breath. And I hope you got your water. You got your water? Yeah, of course you do because you were ready.
And I always told myself that I was going to go ahead and dance with him, and look, I'm here. Like, it's so like the energy that you're feeling on the camera is so real.
Hey.
He is so real. So real.
Like, you know how he gets.
Right.
Like, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been doing good all day. Don't you do this to me. Anytime that we're dancing and I say switch lines, this is what we do. Switch lines. Okay, good. So I do something. Just like two things will happen. I will mess up, like actually mess up, and I'll be like, ooh, or I will do my own thing, but it's still what you guys are doing, so don't get thrown off. Don't be like, wait, what is he doing? Just do what y'all do.
Oh my mama, oh my hoodoo, I look fly, yeah, I look good. Touch my swag, this shit good. I look fly, yeah, I look good. Oh my mama, oh my hoodoo, I look fly, yeah, I look good. Touch my swag, this shit good. I look fly, yeah, I look good. I look good. I look good. I look good. Yeah, I look good.
Well, 50 on the stopwatch, staring at the diamonds, make you bust it, baby. Hopscotch over here to my spot. Say she wanna party, I do it big, baby, like my LRG. Show the air harder when I'm feeling like a rock band. 87 jeans and white tee when on the block, man. Jay still rocking, Fortune still moving. Chuck Taylor's killing, IR still grooving.
Hip Hop Fit is definitely in the building. We got new videos coming.